Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make a holiday charm bracelet using holiday charms and red crystal beads. So we're going to start off with the bracelet, which is going to be stainless steel chain, and I'm going to want to finish it off with the clasp. So I'm going to attach the clasp using jump rings. So I'm just going to take a pair of pliers in each hand, find where the cut is in the jump ring, and I'm going to twist the jump ring open. Going to attach my chain and part of the toggle. Then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to twist them back together and work it back and forth until it's perfectly together so nothing will slide out. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to take our pliers, we're going to twist the jump ring open. Attach it to the chain. Touch the toggle bar, and then we're going to close it up. So there are bracelets made, and now we just get to add the charms. So we're going to add the charms using the jump rings. Twist them open. I'm going to add the charm, and we're going to attach it to the chain. And twist it back into place. So I'm going to be putting a charm on every small jump ring on here, or every small ring on the chain. There's two different sizes, the larger oval and the small, and I'm going to put a charm or a bead on each of the small ones. So there's one charm. And then to attach the beads, I'm going to use a ball pin. I'm going to put that on my head pin. And then I'm going to take my pliers and put it right up against the bead. I'm going to bend the wire away from me to create a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that and wrap the wire over it. Then I'm going to attach this to the next small ring. And then I'm going to hold it in the loop and I'm going to wrap it back around. And then I'm just going to continue this process the whole way through. a Christmas charm bracelet. Super fun and festive.